Hi, I'm Wayne and this is Bassador Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you 5 machinist tools that all woodworkers can use to bring their projects to the next level. Now I'm going to level with you. I get really frustrated when I see tooltip videos that are showcasing these amazing new tools, only to find out that they have this gigantic price tag. And to that end, all of the tools on this list are very inexpensive, and I'll provide links to each one of them down in the description below. First on the list are digital calipers. I use a set of 4-inch and a set of 6-inch almost every time I'm in the shop.
I could do an entire video on all of the uses of digital calipers in my shop, but to touch on a few, I can quickly and accurately measure board thickness, I can measure the depth of a hole or a groove, I can measure the width of a dado, I can check a bolt size, or I can even check the interior size of a hole. These uses and more make them indispensable in my shop.
This next one is pretty widely accepted by woodworkers, but I still come across enough people that don't know about this that I thought it should be included in this list, as well as I know that it would come up in the comments if I didn't include it, and that is a set of setup blocks.
Setup blocks are precision milled to exact dimensions. This makes them incredibly useful as height gauges on router tables and table saws. They can also be used additively for more uncommon measurements. I use these things so often for setting blade height on my table saw that they have taken up permanent residence in my fence top storage.
Next on the list are 1, 2, 3 setup blocks. I have a bunch of these.
1, 2, 3 blocks are endlessly useful in my shop. They can be used to set your table saw fence to a precise distance, can be used additively with other blocks as well as the setup blocks for fractional measures. They make great spacers and weights. They are great for squaring your blade or the table of your drill press or any other thing in your life that needs to be square.
Next on the list are transfer punches.
The main purpose of a transfer punch is to transfer hole locations from piece to piece, and that is how I use them a lot. But they're also great for aligning pieces for glue ups, and since they come in graduated sizes, they will fit any hole you can make with a standard set of drill bits.
And last but not least, the final item on our list are magnetic bases.
I keep finding more and more uses for magnetic bases in my shop, from checking my drill press for true after swapping out a chuck to truing my table saw and checking for blade wobble. Magnetic bases also make excellent stop blocks for the table saw.
And those are the 5 machinist tools that I think would benefit any woodworker. What did I get right? What did I get wrong? Leave it down in the comments down below. Do you have a machinist tool that you use every day in your wood shop? Let me know. I'd be interested in seeing it. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep up to date with new projects as they are released. And until next time, thank you.